Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any questions. Now, the third type of intelligence is called interpersonal intelligence. How to effectively deal with other person, how to give a warmth situation, how to give a comfortable feeling, how to be empathetic, how to be sympathetic to others, how to be compassionate to others. So understanding these sensitivities in interaction with other persons, it may be even a dog. When we are dealing with the dog, we understand how the dog responds, and then we make the dog happy, or any other person whom we are dealing with. Especially when we are traveling in a flight or any other means of transport, we are very cautious about whom we are sitting with, and then I don't hit them, I don't misbehave there, and then so these are interpersonal skills. And then today, if I cough or if I sneeze, then everyone starts staring at me. So we have to be very cautious. This is called interpersonal skill. So this is an ability to understand, interact effectively with others. It involves not only the verbal communication, there is also non-verbals. So there are some gestures which I make may not be palatable, may not be according to the proper etiquettes. So I have to be conscious of verbal communication, sweet talk, and then at the same time, my non-verbals should not be hurting others. So we have there's an ability to note distinctions in others. Every person is different. No two people are same. So to be sensitive to the moods and temperaments of others, and to also entertain, to accept, to include other perspectives. So this role mostly is required when somebody is a parent teaching the children, then teaching in the school. There are social workers. We have to have all-inclusive policies. Then actors, then politicians. So all exhibit this interpersonal skill, especially in the leadership role. So one who is good in communicating and seemingly understandable about others' feelings, emotions, motives, etc. So this is called interpersonal skill. So how do we apply that in our devotional life? Any thought? So the most important aspect is Vaishnava behavior. How do I behave with others? The most important interpersonal skill, interpersonal intelligence. So I should not be hurting others during my behavior, my talk, my interaction should be more pleasing. So this is a very matured interpersonal skill, and also not only with other Vaishnavas or devotees, even regular common people, also with the deities, because deities are also personalities in the temple. So now how much conscious I am not to make any mistake in front of the deity and follow all the rules which are meant to be followed for deity worship. Then in the temple hall there are some etiquettes. So all these constitutes the interpersonal skill, the behavioral aspect. And even though sometimes we don't know, and when we come to know, if I have good interpersonal skills, immediately I adapt to those new circumstances. So the compassionate features, the merciful features of a personality, then how to talk sweetly, palatable, beneficial for others, especially one who is good in interpersonal skills, they will be very good in sales and marketing. So when we go for book distribution, it's a very important skill. If we already have got, it's a very good skill to use it. This intelligence enables us to hand over and sell Srila Prabhupada's book to others to read it. And also this skill is helpful in performing theatrical activities related to Lord Krishna, and also in the leadership roles.